Hello, parents. We all know that raising children is a wondrous yet tiring journey. One of the greatest gifts you can give your child and yourself is the gift of good sleep. Sleep is crucial for a child's development. It impacts their physical growth, emotional well-being, and cognitive function. A well-rested child is a happy child. They are more likely to be alert, engaged, and ready to learn. Good sleep also benefits the entire family. It reduces stress, improves moods, and brings more harmony to the household. Remember, establishing healthy sleep habits early on will set your child up for success. It is an investment in their present and future well-being. Let's explore how we can make those sleep-filled nights a reality. As a seasoned nanny, I've witnessed firsthand the challenges parents face when it comes to their children's sleep. From resisting bedtime to frequent night wakings, these struggles are more common than you think. Many toddlers fight bedtime. They may cry, cling to parents, or get out of bed repeatedly. Separation anxiety can also play a role, making it hard for little ones to settle down without their parents close by. Night terrors, nightmares, or even just the inability to self-soothe can lead to frequent awakenings. Teething, illness, and developmental milestones can also disrupt sleep patterns, leaving both parents and children feeling exhausted. Rest assured, these challenges are surmountable. With consistent effort and the right strategies, you can help your child and yourself get the sleep you need. One of the most effective ways to promote good sleep habits is to establish a consistent bedtime routine. This signals to your child that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Start with a warm bath. This can be calming and relaxing for your child. Follow the bath with a quiet activity, such as reading a book together, singing lullabies, or having a quiet chat. Dimming the lights about an hour before bedtime will also help signal to your child's body that it's time to sleep. Finally, make sure your child has a favorite comfort item, like a blanket or stuffed animal, to help them feel safe and secure. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the routine as much as possible, even on weekends, to reinforce your child's sleep-wake cycle. Section 4. Creating a peaceful sleep haven. Just like we enjoy a comfortable and inviting bedroom, children thrive in a sleep environment that promotes relaxation and sleep. The bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains to block out any external light and a white noise machine or fan to minimize distracting sounds. The temperature of the room should be comfortable, not too hot or too cold. Ensure that your child's bed is comfortable and inviting. Choose soft, breathable bedding and make sure the mattress is firm and supportive. Avoid clutter in the bedroom. Keep toys and other distractions to a minimum. You want the bedroom to be a haven for sleep, not for play. Section 5. Food, naps, and sleep success. A child's diet and nap schedule can significantly impact their sleep. Avoid giving your child sugary drinks or heavy meals close to bedtime. These can lead to sugar rushes and make it difficult for them to fall asleep. Establish a regular nap schedule that aligns with your child's age and needs. While naps are essential for young children, ensure that they are not too long or too close to bedtime, as this can interfere with nighttime sleep. Encourage your child to be active during the day. Physical activity can help regulate their sleep-wake cycle and tire them out for a good night's sleep. Remember, a well-balanced diet and an active lifestyle contribute to overall health and, consequently, better sleep. Section 6. The power of self-soothing. Teaching your child to self-soothe is a valuable life skill that will serve them well beyond infancy. Start by putting your child to bed drowsy but awake. This allows them to learn how to fall asleep independently. If your child cries when you leave the room, resist the urge to immediately pick them up. Instead, offer comforting words from the doorway and reassure them that you are nearby. If they continue to cry, go back in and offer a gentle touch and soothing words, but avoid picking them up or feeding them. Gradually increase the time between check-ins. This teaches your child that you are there for them, but they can also soothe themselves back to sleep. Remember, patience and consistency are key when teaching self-soothing techniques. It may take time, but it's a worthwhile investment in your child's sleep independence.